Big day today, boys. We're building a jump. And we're gonna jump my quad probably 20 to 30 feet in the air.
And then we're gonna do it with the Mazda.
Yes, so stand by. We've got to build the jump. I'll show you when it's done. Another foot here. We'll be fine.
And then speed.
All right, we're just about complete here. It might not look like much on camera, but what you're seeing here is a approximately 10-foot tall quad launching booter.
I thought you were about to actually say how tall it is.
No, it's about 3 feet tall, but it's steep, so it should give us some pretty good height. At least that's what I'm hoping. The only thing I'm worried about is the deep snow in the landing area that we have not prepped at all, and we're not going to.
That's what we're all about. Little to no prep.
Yeah, so we'll just see what happens. It'll be fine. I'll wear a helmet, so it's all right.
That's dumb.
All right.
Good job.
I could totally jump this on here.
Do it. I dare you. Fixing it up a little bit.
Give it another go. A little more speed. I think we can do better.
You're the one driving.
All right.
You're driving this boat.
I mean, I went about, let's see.
About 5-6 feet. Distance-wise.
Yeah. But it's got more in it.
I mean, it's pretty.
It's got more in it for sure.
I'm nervous again. Oh God. That was good.
All right, Josh's big attempt here. Go for it. Yeah. Not too bad. All right, he's gonna circle back around. We got another attempt here. 3rd gear this time. You should get a little more height. Oh yeah, not too bad at all.
Such a buttery jump.
Yeah,
It's perfect.
That jump actually works pretty good. And the snow kind of helps the suspension out, I think. Because
Absolutely.
The old ranchers aren't known for their suspension travel.
Yeah.
It's got like, what, 4 inches? Pretty bad, but you know, it's enough. It's enough to jump.
And it's enough to have fun with.
Yeah,
what
that's
it's all
true.
about. And it's enough to wrench and it's enough to rip.
Yep.
And
Although not much wrenching required on the old Honda, you know?
well, it's a Honda, yeah.
And now it's
Not like Owen Club players.
it's your turn. Let's get you suited up.
Suit it up.
That was actually a lot faster than I expected her to go.
Woo! What do you my Crocs in the snow.
Oh no.
What do you think, Hildy?
Not too bad.
She wants to do it again.
In 3rd gear?
No.
No.
I would die.
She's ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll all get into position here. Yep, it's taking a little bit of a beating, but here she comes.
Alright. You kind of came off the seat a little.
I almost flew.
I don't think she stood up. You're pretty close.
Yeah, I think it's
Let me see-
fine.
let me see the
No,
view.
you're fine. I think it's a pretty
Yeah,
good
that's
view.
pretty good. That's pretty good. Alright, well, just a shorty for you guys. Figured we'd
Quickie.
film it. It was actually pretty fun. That jump worked a lot better than I
It did.
expected it to.
Like I was saying before, I think it was at perfect perfect level of like height and distance.
And
It was
launch
just-
to distance
Ratio,
ratio was
ratio, yeah.
on point. Definitely
Absolutely.
on point.
and you know, it's just good, clean fun.
Yeah.
And we just killed a couple hours.
Yeah.
Had a good time.
And didn't kill a quad because, you know, Honda gang. And we're
Or
good.
anyone, no one got hurt.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank
I'm
God.
usually known for that.
But any guys, till next time, guys, keep wrenching, keep ripping. We'll see you guys next time.
Good.
Oh no.
Oh, now he's stuck. Ah, there he goes. Those sumps just bite, baby. They bite.
I'm high center.
You know what? We did a pretty good job with this ramp. Jump, whatever. I thought we were gonna beat it up a lot more. Well, this is what happens when you try to use jack stands to hold the trailer.
At least I didn't hit her car.
All right, we came pretty close to Hildy's car too.
Hold on, let me back off.
Good thing I kept the camera rolling. Now that's wrench and rip fashion.
Hell yeah.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Sumps, baby.